Ready to explore the world of IPTV and sign up easily? You've come to the right place. First, let's grasp what IPTV is. Internet Protocol Television, delivering content via internet. Find a trustworthy IPTV provider. Research and read reviews to ensure reliability and quality. For an excellent experience, visit 2tv.store. It's praised for top-tier service and variety. Consider your viewing needs, number of channels, any specific interests or language preferences. Now, let's walk through the sign-up. Begin by selecting your preferred plan on the provider's site. Enter your details accurately, name, email, and payment information, anxiously completing each field. Double-check your information to avoid any errors that could delay your setup process. After submission, patiently wait for a confirmation email with account setup instructions. Once received, follow the instructions precisely to set up your IPTV service smoothly. Download any necessary apps or software as outlined in the provider's instructions. Finally, hop onto your IPTV service and start surfing through endless entertainment options. Witness the ease and advantages that make IPTV a popular choice among savvy viewers. Remember these steps to ensure a smooth and stress-free IPTV sign-up journey. Don't forget, check 2tv.store for one of the most reliable IPTV services available. Now you're set. Unleash a new viewing experience with easy access to entertainment worldwide.